Getting free and clean energy from a city's pavement has become a reality thanks to the creation of Platio Solar Pavement. This sustainable pavement was invented by the forward thinkers at Platio, a Budapest-based tech company focused on creating sustainable building materials. It uses 100% recycled materials, including recycled plastic and glass as well as trash, to create a plethora of solar pavement-based installation solutions in urban environments across the globe. It's been compared to turning regular sidewalks into tiny power plants that are generating clean energy from the pavement. Platio Solar Pavement can be installed where conventional solar technologies cannot be implemented. It has created aesthetically pleasing, space-saving, green power sources within offices, residential buildings, maritime infrastructures and smart cities. Since 2015, Platio has been changing the game for businesses, homes and entire cities by designing clean technology to create sustainable urban spaces. Platio Solar Pavement's design also transforms cities, buildings and homes into landmarks of 21st century architecture. Platio Solar Pavement operates on safe low voltage and is skid resistant, so people won't slip and fall when they walk across it. It's super efficient as its green energy is harvested by high-performing solar cells that are integrated into the pavement. Installation is quick and easy due to its modular design, which is comparable to conventional tiling. When it comes to the elements, this innovative technology is extremely durable, thanks to its high-quality engineering. This aspect guarantees resistance to load, impact, scratches and weather. It's also protected from senseless and destructive vandalism. Another key feature of Platio Solar Pavement is its low maintenance, which is similar to the upkeep of any conventional pavement or regular roof-mounted solar panels. This is particularly attractive for cities wanting to become more eco-friendly and efficient. Platio Solar Pavement doesn't take up valuable space, as this solar technology literally becomes part of the built environment. While a lot of these innovative and futuristic concepts and prototypes are just a look into what could be, Platio Solar Pavement is actually an already existing technology and is available for installation for any business, home or city right now. That's all for today, and if you enjoyed this video, please follow or subscribe for more videos like these. I'll see you again very soon.